Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Mysore location. It is from Karnataka. Let us discuss one by one in detail. Firstly, there are various job vacancies available from Kendriya Vidyalaya, Mysuru. They have vacancies for the following job positions, like teacher positions, for the postgraduate teachers, like in the fields of physics, chemistry, and Hindi. The candidates should have qualifications like MSc or MA in the specialized subject with BEd, and you should have 50% aggregate. Next one, for the position of trained graduate teacher positions for science and Hindi, you should have qualifications like BA or BSc in the specified subject with 50% aggregate, and along with that you should have BEd and CTET. And next one, for the position of primary teacher, you should pass the 12th, and DED or BEd and CTET qualifications are preferred. And interested candidates, you have to log into the website link that is provided here, and you can download the registration form, qualification criteria and other details. And interested candidates, you can submit the application form along with the attached documents like educational qualifications and experience certificate, like that, on and before 26th December. And you have to walk in interview on 29th October, Wednesday, and from 10 a.m. Next one, there are various job vacancies available from Narayana Educational Institutions in Mysuru. They have openings for the following job positions: front office, marketing executives, parent counselors, telecallers, accountants, and DTP. These are the positions available. If you are eligible for any of the job role, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID, or else if you have any queries and questions, you can contact them by the given phone number, like 7022662586. Next one, there are various job vacancies available from GSS. There is only one vacancies available for each and every position. And if you see the job roles in detail, for the position of legal advisor, you must have minimum 5 years of experience. For the HR assistant, you must have minimum 1 year of experience. For the farms and resort manager, you must have minimum 5 years of experience. For the project maintenance manager, you must have minimum 5 years of experience in civil maintenance. And for the position of telemarketing executive, freshers and experienced candidates both can apply, and you must have good communicational skills. Interested candidates, if you are eligible for any of the job role, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID, or else if you have any queries and questions, you can contact them by the phone number given here, 8053001572. Next one, there are job openings for teaching and non-teaching staff from SBRR Mahajana First Grade College. And if you see the job roles, these are purely temporary jobs, and you please remember that. And coming to the details, for the teaching staff in the subject of criminology and forensic science, there is only one vacancy is available. And if you see the eligibility criteria, you must have post graduation degree from any recognized university with minimum 55% aggregate marks, and the candidates with NET or SLET or PhD and teaching experience will be preferred. And for the subject of journalism and mass communication or studio media technician, there is only one vacancy is available, and you must have qualifications like a post graduation degree from any recognized university with minimum 55% aggregate marks, and also diploma in audio and video editing, and diploma in journalism will be preferred. And you should have knowledge of Adobe Premiere Pro vMix software and also experience audio and video editing and camera handling and techniques and shooting like that. And for the position of non-teaching staff, like a lab attendant position is available and there is only one vacancy is available and you should have SSLC or PUC qualifications. Like the applications along with the supported documents, curriculum vitae with passport size photo, like mentioning your email ID and contact phone number, like that you have to send to the given address. And also you can share your resume to the provided mail ID, and if you have any queries and questions you can contact them by the phone number given here. Interested candidates, you can go through that. Next one, there are job openings available from Sai Carton Manufacturing Co. Private Limited. And if you see the job roles, for the position of Supply Chain Department Executives, the candidates should have qualifications like engineering or any graduation and should have minimum 3 years of work experience in a manufacturing unit. Next one, for the position of Enterprise Resource Planning Assistant Manager, you should have engineering or any graduation with minimum 4 years of experience on ERP or similar software in a manufacturing unit. Next one, for the position of production department supervisor, you must have engineering or diploma in mechanical and you should have minimum 3 years of work experience in a manufacturing unit. Interested candidates, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID, and they have also provided the address, like you can please check once. Next one, there are job openings available from SRK Healthcare. They have openings for the following job positions, and if you see the job roles, for the position of senior executive HR you should have 3 to 4 years of work experience. For the position of accounts manager you should have 5 to 10 years of work experience, and for the position of production executive you should have up to 3 years of experience, or else fresher candidates also can apply, and you should have qualifications like a B Farm and M Farm. Next one, for the position of technicians and operators you should have IIT diploma, and for the position of electrician you should have C certification. Interested candidates, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Else if you have any queries and questions you can contact them by the phone number given here, that is 9845174520. Next one, there is a job opening for pharmacologist position from Narayana Multi-Specialty Hospital. Like for this position you should have 2 to 3 years of work experience and you should have Doctor of Pharmacy qualification. And interested candidates, if you are eligible for this position you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, there are job openings available from Mandovi Motors Private Limited. They have openings for the following job positions. For the position of sales and marketing executive, you must have graduation with good communication skills, like they are hiring for their Nexa showroom. Next one, for the position of technician, you should have diploma or ITI in automobile or mechanical engineering, and along with that you should have experience, or else special candidates also can apply. Interested candidates, if you are eligible for any of the job role you can share your resume to the provided mail ID, and if you have any queries you can contact them by the phone numbers given here, and they will be in touch between 10 a.m. to 6 p.m.
That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section. And please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.